Trading Smart Zero. I am Somojit Patak, is your trading mentor in Indian stock market. Those guys have not subscribed my channel. Please subscribe and share my channel. If you like my video, shorts video and video, please push the bell icon further notification. Okay. Hope up all of my friends are well, physically and economically. Those guys want to get completely free suggestions, tips, tricks. Please contact my WhatsApp number. I will give you the free suggestions, tips, tricks in about stock market and educational video and educational in our stock market. Okay. So today I have come a new video, very interesting video. Today's video, please watch the till end. Okay, this is the stock market video. So please don't skip. Please watch my video till end. So guys, I will discuss today stock market situations of the different country. I will talk about the different company of the different country, economically relationships all about the country with the India. What kind of the company are very largest export import in their country? Various types of company manufacture unit, they are the product and sell product. Today talk about the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is the very popular, largest and capitalized country in the world. Saudi Arabia is a very strong economical establishment in the world. So, Saudi Arabia, today I will see you the Saudi Arabia stock, the 10 company, the biggest 10 company in Saudi Arabia, their stock analysis. The 10 company in the Saudi Arabia investment company, the Aramco, is a very popular crude oil company in Aramco. And main market, I will see you. Main market is the energy market, is Sarco, the Saudi Aramco, Petro, Arabian, drilling, and like of the material market, some added here. In main Saudi Arabia is the stock exchange. India and Saudi Arabia have a strong economical relationships as they include the trade, energy, and investment. Trade. India and Saudi Arabia have a growing trade in relationships in 2022 to 2023. Saudi Arabia was India's second largest trade partner after the China. India import from Saudi Arabia were worth 42.03 billion marking dollar, while the export were worth 10.72 billion marking dollar. Almostly, I talk about the energy. Saudi Arabia is a key partner of India energy security. In 2022 to 2023, India imported 39.5 million metric ton of crude oil from Saudi Arabia, which was the 16.7% of the total crude import. I talk about the investment. Saudi Arabia has invested India's port, agriculture, chemical and logistics sector. Saudi investor have also invested in India startup like the Weo, Paytm, Delivery, Grofers and Ola. Actually, when we talk about the Indian stock market, FII, foreign investor investment, like of the Saudi Arabia investment, like of the many countries investment, FII, the foreign investor investment. So I talk about the Saudi Arabia refinery. The state of the Maharashtra is building uh, 44 around dollar marking 44 billion marking dollar, while the refinery in the partnership with the Saudi Aramco in Adenok. Let's see the chart of the Aramco. Okay, Aramco. Acha, Saudi Telecom. The latest. Let's see the some goods and the valuable stock in Saudi Arabia. The 10 best Saudi stocks in invest September 2024. Aramco is a crude oil company. It's like a various types of company is listed here in stock exchange in Saudi Arabia. Let's see Saudi Arabia popular stock. The capitalized market in Saudi Arabia. Economical cooperation. Our trade relationships has been standby and growing over the year. In 2023 to 2024 was USD 43.3 billion. India export amounting to USD 11.56 billion during the same periods. Saudi Aramco. We'll see the Saudi Aramco. Saudi Aramco base oil, the chart pattern is very clear chart pattern. The best stock of the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia Aramco company is a oil company, is a crude oil company, almostly. Saudi Arabia is the India's second largest trade partner after China. During this period, India import the Saudi Arabia reached US 42.03 billion dollar and export 10.72 billion dollar US billion dollar. Major commodities of export from India to the Saudi Arabia included the engineering goods, rice, petroleum product, chemical, textile, food product, and major commodity of the import of India from Saudi Arabia are crude oil, LPG, fertilizer, chemical, plastic, product, etc. Investment purpose, I will tell you the investment India investment in the kingdom of the Saudi Arabia have the speaker in the recent year and have reached the approximately USD 2 billion. This is the investment at the displaced diverse sector such as management and consultancy service, construction project and telecommunications information technology, financial service and software development, and pharmaceutical something, etc. Major Indian companies and corporate group such as the L&T, Tata, Wipro, TCS, TCL, Sapurji, Pilonji, Air India, Go Air, Indigo, and Spyjet aeroplane, Aero actually. They established the Saudi investment in India. I will talk about the Saudi investment in India. Saudi Arabia is the 18th largest investor in India with the investment amounting to 3.14 around billion marking dollar. March 2022 journal. Major investment include the PIF's investment in Reliance Geo platform. Okay, Saudi Arabia investment in India actually. Reliance Retail Venture Limited 1.3 billion marking dollar to accordingly 2.04% stack. Further, the Saudi Arabia Agriculture and Livestock Investment Company SALIC has acquired 233% stake in Dawat Foods Limited. Most valuable company and major investment group of kingdom include the Aramco, Savic, and Jamil. Soft Bank's Visions Fund has invested in several India startups such as the Delivery, Fast Try, GoForce, Ola, Weo, Paytm, Polybuzzer. Savic has invested the 100 marking dollar in the technology and innovation center in the Bangalore, on one of the largest investment in India by the Saudi company. Okay, let's see. Saudi Telecom. Saudi Telecom. Saudi Telecom. Here's the chart pattern, like a scenario. Totally sales site is running now. Saudi Telecom. But here we see the liquidity is not a very big. Actually, this is a offline market. That's why the liquidity we not see here. Saudi electricity. Next, we can see the Saudi electricity. The best scenario in chart. The sell sites now starting here. Saudi Arabia currency names is Saudi Riyal. Okay. Some of stock in Saudi Arabia, maybe we would not see the much more volatility since here. Maybe it's a invested to stock, and otherwise it's the offline market. That's why we can we would not see the value and volatility and volume. During the visit of India, February 2019, Saudi Crown Prince and announced that the kingdom would be investing the US 100 marking 100 billion marking dollar in the India diversity is sectors such as the energy, refining, petrochemical, infrastructure, agriculture, mineral and mining, manufacturing, education and health in the forthcoming years. In the reference, Ministry of Finance since is moved with the Saudi Ministry of Energy, Industry and Minerals Resource in February 2019 to invest it in India's National Investment and the Infrastructure Funds Limited in IIF. Okay, let's see the Saudi Arabian fertilizer stock. Saudi Arabian fertilizer. Saudi Arabian Oil Mining Corporation, fertilizer. Not see the fertilizer. International Petrochemical, Saudi Arabia Petrochemical in Saudi Arabia Oil Corporation, National Shipping Corporations, Arabian Petrochemical. Okay, like of the NAC, not Saudi Ground Service Co. Here we can see the chart pattern is Saudi Ground Service Co. is the most valuable stock in Saudi Arabia Stock Exchange. Here we can see the sales site. Uh-huh. I talk about the hydrocarbon sector-wise. The collaborations, the hydrocarbon. Saudi Arabia become the third largest crude sourcing destinations for FY 2022 to 2023. Traditionally, Saudi Arabia was the second largest crude oil supplier. In India, import 39.5 MMT of crude oil in the financial year 2022 to 2022-23, according for 16.7% of the total crude import. Crude oil import in billion million metric ton MMT for the Saudi Arabia is the last few years at the follow. Versatile. So, various types of crude oil is purchases in India. Okay, the top 10 company in Saudi Arabia. I will see you. SARC 79.2 Saudi National Bank. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching today's video. Please share my video. I will next. I will came the next video in another country economical blasting movement and blasting stock 10 top company. Thank you so much for watching.